Hello and welcome to this training. Thanks for signing in to this training of how you can build your own landing pages and funnels using WordPress. Without taking much time, let's just go straight into it. I will go straight into my WordPress account. This is my WordPress website that I used to test. So I will go to my backend. I'll go to my backend in the admin panel of my WordPress website. My website, of course, I'm from Kavanagh Digital Solutions, kavanagh.co.ke. This is the website. So I would start from scratch. For example, let's say, for example, you want to build a landing page for a, for a book. Let's say we want people to download your book. Then I create a new landing page. Of course, I have already installed the plugin. The plugin is Thrive Architect. I will show you how to get it from the. You can get this plugin from the links below this video. So let's say I want to start a new website. Let's say it's a book landing page. After installing the Thrive Architect plugin, which you just add normally from here, let's say you just go to the plugins, then you add new. So when you want to add a new, you just add it like the normal way. Of course, if you purchased it, you have a download file of the same. So you upload the plugin and continue from there. So normally you'll be given an upload of that same plugin. If you search here, you won't find it. It's a custom plugin that you will have to use. It's Thrive Architect from Thrive Themes. And after installing it, now let's say, for example, we want to have a new page. The website's a little bit slow because I am recording this as I do this online. So I want to build a book landing page. This is the example. So I want to, you'd first of all want to publish this so that it's a page which is ready. After having your page ready, then you edit it using Thrive Architect. So Thrive Architect is the plugin that we're using to create our landing pages and funnels. It's taking a bit of time to load because I'm recording at the same time. I'm doing this live. So this is something that I'm doing live. It's not a recording thing. So after you edit your page in Thrive, the Thrive Architect, then you choose the particular landing page that you want from here. I've said I want to build a sample book landing page. Then I choose the landing page. I go through down here. I try to find a book landing page. Yeah, here it is. Here is the book landing page. It loads in, it should take seconds. It's already uploaded. Then you now edit this according to the book that you want. So if you have, for example, you want to give people a free landing, a free report or a free ebook or something like that, then you can have this. You can see simply the best way to create your landing. Okay. So let's change this. Get your then free report. Your free report. By clicking the button below. So of course, for example, to get the free report, you give the explanations of whatever you want for that particular free report. That's an explanation. So here down, you put your website copyright. Let's say Kavenak Digital Solutions. All rights is out. If you're driving traffic from maybe, let's say, Facebook or Google, you'll need to put a disclaimer page and privacy policy pages. I will show you how to do that before we finish this. So this is the cover of your ebook. You click on it like this, and then you can change the image from here. Then you can just upload the file that you have. You can just upload. So right now it's this is just a test page, so I won't need to upload. And now what remains on this particular book landing page is just to link my autoresponder. Click here to get instant access. Then you click on that button here, and when you go down to the animation and action down here, then you'll find the lightbox. Lightbox is just a pop-up that comes that shows you what you're supposed to fill in the details. Edit lightbox. So the lightbox, for example, when you click on that download button, then a pop-up window comes out with the login information where you're supposed to enter your email address and whatever details that you want to get. So when somebody clicks on that button below that book image cover, you'll get, this is what pops up. And you get the image. You can change this image to the particular ebook that you want to get to download. And now we want to set our autoresponder so that when somebody downloads this particular enters the details, then it connects to our lead generation email service. For example, you might have Aweber, you might have GetResponse, you might have MailChimp. So all those ones you can make that connection from here. So when I click on that, it shows this is the lead generation that we have. You are sent to connect form service. This connect form service connects you to your particular autoresponder. If you had already integrated autoresponder, this one you can also add autoresponders in the WordPress background. So I will go to Aweber. Of course, I select the list there. This is a test account in Aweber that we're using. So mailing list report. Then we continue. You have selected the particular mailing list that you're supposed to collect the details to. The person downloading this book is going to connect to that particular autoresponder. If it's a required field, you of course make that required. You go next. Okay, then this is also important. Let's say, for example, that after somebody has downloaded this particular ebook, you want to direct them to an affiliate offer. If somebody has downloaded that particular ebook, you want to direct them to a particular affiliate offer. So you will be pasting your URL, your affiliate URL, you'll be placing it here. Or if you want them to go to a specific thank you page, then you would just enter that particular thank you page here. And then you save. But since this is just an example and there's not particular thank you page that's already been set, but if you've built, for example, another thank you page, you can also do the same here. So I'll just say, let's say I just want to put my homepage. I just want to put my homepage so that you see how it will happen when we particularly log in there. Then we save. The settings the settings for the autoresponder is done on the autoresponder. Whether you want a double opt-in first, you want people to confirm their email addresses before downloading, then you can set that in your autoresponder, GetResponse or Aweber or MailChimp or whichever other service that you're using for. You can also use just WordPress background. You can use WordPress, for example, if you go to edit this, you find that you can also use API connection. You can also use your WordPress account. So people can already can also opt in, and if you don't have an autoresponder email service like GetResponse or Aweber, then you can use your WordPress account to collect email addresses and such. So if you want to do that, you just collect it using that WordPress account. So this is basically our ebook landing page to collect email addresses after download. It's ready, and we want to test it. Then you save that. We have already made this. So this is the pop-up that will come up when somebody clicks this particular button. So we want to test how this works. You apply that, okay, then you save. So after editing, remember to save your work as much as possible. You can edit all this text. If you want different text, you can just click, normally. Then you undo if you want to undo and such. So we want to preview this and test it if it works. Yeah, so this is it. This is the landing page for the book. If you want to download book, maybe you've given the details here. If somebody clicks here, this is what comes, that we had given our address. So let me just sign up and see what happens. Notification. Then use this email address. Get instant access. So after submitting that detail, it takes me to the landing page that I had given, which is cavelac.co.ke. So assuming you are running a promotion for maybe an affiliate offer, you let somebody download that book, then you send them to that particular affiliate offer. Already you have in your affiliate offer, you already have the link and the email you've already collected. So even if that person does not, for example, buy your affiliate offer, but you have the email, you can continue to set up those services to market them using your autoresponder, and you keep having a communication until probably you have sales. So this is the example of a book landing page. If you want, for example, to build a video landing page, what do? This is a book landing page. So let's, for example, look at an example of a video landing page, for example. So let me go back. Then we change this. I just want to use the same template, and we go to a video landing page. Then we choose that template whereby we can install a video. If you want to change it, it doesn't take time. Within seconds, it should already loading and you're ready to make the changes that you want to make. Yeah, so you see the headline is there. You can change it the way you want depending on the offer that you're promoting. Whatever you're promoting, you change it. Okay, so you see the video format. The video is already uploaded. There's a sample video that is uploaded here. So if you want to upload a video, let's say you can upload various video sources. You can use this YouTube videos. You can use Vimeo. You can use Wistia. You can also use your custom video. I want to show you how to use a custom video. For example, I want to choose a video from my desktop and see how it works. I just want to use the video that I used to promote this particular training. So I want to okay, this video is too big to upload. So for you to use custom videos, you need to produce videos which is less than 50 megabytes. That depends on the settings that you have for your website. If your website exceeds that limit. If your video exceeds that particular limit, then you will not have to be able to use it. So for you to use a YouTube video, let me show you how to use a YouTube video. Since that is light, let's just go to YouTube. I want to choose any video at random, and I just want to choose any video at random. So if, for example, you want to use this video, then
in this video we're going to go from being an absolute beginner.
You just have to copy the video URL, and you go back to your YouTube video, then you copy the URL of the video, and that is done. So you see, you already have that video integrated. So if you want to have your video landing pages, probably the best thing to do is to upload that video on YouTube or whichever video service, Vimeo or Windseer, and you give the link of that video. If, for example, I save this and I want to preview it, let's see what happens. So our landing page is ready with our video, so you don't have to do much more. You see, this is the video that I've just linked. So if you click on it, it just plays
in this
like
video
normal.
we're going to go from being an absolute beginner in Facebook advertising it to completely.
That's the same video that you've integrated from here. So you can see from here, it's the same video that you're integrating. Let's say, for example, you had uploaded your video. Just go to that your video URL and you integrate that particular video. So your video landing page is ready to go. So it's easy. The same thing that you did to the others, you can do here. Okay, get instant access. For example, whatever you put there is exactly what will come up. And so your video sales page is ready to go. Let's say, for example, that you want to have a landing page or a one-page website for uh, and you want to change this to a different landing page. Just go here and in the page setup, and you choose a landing page. I want to choose a different landing page. For example, okay, this is the video course. Let's say, for example, you want to have a video course. What do? You just select that one and choose the landing page. It's uploading. The video training is uploading within seconds. Within less than a minute, it should be ready for you to edit and put your particular links, whichever videos that you want to put. This is a sample. This is a sample landing page of how to attract customers and make money with online video 4-part course. So if you are running a course, for example, you can also create simple landing pages. If I just save this without making any editing, I just want to save this, and you see the kind of landing page that it will produce. Then preview this. Let me preview this. Boom, you have your page. So you just do the editings that you need to do, and you have a full landing page. Very easy to do, very easy. See how this landing page is? See how good this landing page is? It's mobile responsive. For example, if somebody was to access it through mobile, you see how it fits well. So you put your logo up there, you put your text up there, the video, the text, or whatever you want to put, anything else that you want to put, and you're good to go. You're good to go. This is a landing page, for example, that you just need to do some few editing. And when you want to insert a video, just insert your link. If you want to change the text, for example, you just change the text easily, just like in a Word document. You see, you can change easily, just like in a Word document. If you want to change this video, for example, you want to select a different video in YouTube or in Vimeo or Windseer, or you have a custom video which is less than 50 MB, then you can just do that right away. So if you want to change your logo, you can change your image. Let me just try to change that to show you that it's easier to change. I will go to my media library. I hope I have my logo somewhere here. All right. The logo is in there, so insert into post. So you already have your logo there. You see, the logo is already there, and we're good to go. So And if you want to change a video, maybe let's say you want to change that video, let's say Kavanagh. I want to search for a video here. Okay, videos, Kavanagh Digital Solutions videos. Well, do I find the video here? I want to let me go to YouTube. I want a video that's youtube.com. Let's say, for example, you have a business video that you want to integrate in your homepage on that particular Kavanagh. Okay. All right. I have a video here. I have a video here that I can use. So I will go to this video, copy the video URL, and go to that particular page that I was editing.
Your website. So this is
Then, okay, this is a preview of the
WordPress
same
website. But you can use.
All right, then you go here, then we paste it there. We have my video is here, Kavanagh Digital Solutions. Get your website live within 1 hour. Contact us now. Okay, right. So you see, this is ready to go, and if you want to change anything here, you can be able to change that. If I preview this, and this now has my text and my logo and my video. If you want, for example, there's times when you might want this to autoplay. If you want this to autoplay, for example, you just go to the settings, then
Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. I want to show you how you get your website live within one.
So that's my video playing. My landing page is ready with my video, ready with my logo, and ready to go, ready to start promotion. And if you go here, okay, you can do the settings. This particular settings, whatever you want for your video, and start time. What else? What else can you edit here? Borders, and you want to make it responsive, for example. Okay, styles and templates that you want for your video. For example, if you need specific backgrounds, if you go to the advanced features of this particular YouTube video, for example, if you want your video to autoplay, then you click autoplay. Your video will autoplay the moment somebody gets to your website. Let's save that and you see the difference. Instead of coding, looking for the codes to use in just preview this, you see it will autoplay. It's loading. Yeah, the video starts playing automatically because we have set it in the background there.
Good evening, good
All right, so that is good to go. Pretty much. So that's how you build your landing pages. Let's see, for example, now, how do you build a funnel? Let's say, for example, in that book landing page that we had, I want to go back to choose a landing page for the book funnel. Let's now choose a different one this time around. There are so many templates here that you can use. You cannot run out of options. You cannot run out of options. There are so many choices that you can make. So many things that you can do on simple clicks. Just simply click and ready to go. So let's say, for example, that you want to start with people downloading your ebook. Maybe you want to start with people maybe attending a webinar. Maybe you want to start with maybe whatever you want to start with that is free or maybe a low-key offer. But when you're running traffic from maybe Google or running traffic from maybe Facebook, I would always prefer that maybe you run a free offer or something. This is superb. You look at this. Look at this. This is a sample landing page that you can just change the details here, and you're ready to go. Ready to go. Uh, Let me preview it and see how beautiful this is. See how beautiful this is. Just simple click and you're ready to go. Just choose a template, make your changes, and you can make your landing pages within seconds, within minutes. You're ready to go. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So all you need to do is just to change your images and get to add your pixels, get to add whatever tracking codes that you want to add to the page. Look at this. This is marvelous. So let's say, for example, that somebody has come to this page and has clicked and on Get Now and has subscribed to this service, for example. When you want to take this person to a new funnel, maybe after getting this particular product, you want to say upsell to another video course. What you might need to do is either after you can create 4 landing pages for four different landing pages for 4 different products. And the moment somebody, for example, has downloaded your book, you take them to maybe a video upgrade of that particular book. Maybe you give a free ebook, then you take them to a video upgrade of that particular ebook. And probably you sell it at $17, $27, $47, whichever price that is good for your product. When you do that and you upsell, immediately that person downloads books. Instead of putting like in my successful subscription, I put my homepage, you put the landing page, that video course. Somebody comes to that and goes straight to the video product. That's another funnel. Then you take him from that video upgrade product probably to a workshop. Maybe you take that person to a workshop now. You have a workshop landing page, you have a video training landing page, you have a free ebook landing page, and you have a one-on-one coaching landing page. So you have four different landing pages. You can build this one's very easily the way you have seen us build this. You can build this ones very easily, like with simple click, without worrying of what to do and what else you can do. So for example, if you want to get this to build your own funnel, if you have the time, you can do this on your own. If you don't have time, you can contact us and we will get to you with an offer. Let's go to how do we get Thrive Architect. Let's see, for example, if you want to go to search for Thrive Architect. We want to see how to get Thrive Architect, for example. I want to check the current price for Thrive Architect. Okay. I'm already a member of Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect. So if you want Thrive Architect, let's see the price. If you want 15 licenses pack, you can install up to 15 websites. Then you will need $147. That's a one-time cost. If you need the 5 license pack, then you have to pay $97. You can place this in 5 of your websites. Then if you need a single license, you can install on one website and includes all features. single license includes $67. So a single license, you'll have to have a 67, but we have a corporate license for this. We have a corporate license for this. If you want us to install WordPress or Thrive landing pages on your website, licensed, you'll have to pay us $17. So we're offering this one-time thing. If you want us to install for you Thrive landing pages to be able to Thrive Architect to enable you to build your landing pages, you'll have to pay us $17. Of course, we have a corporate license, so that will help you to build your landing pages on that particular website. So see, instead of paying $67, you'll pay us $17 because we have a corporate license. You can be able to install it in multiple websites. So look at the links below. You can buy your own licenses. That's acceptable. We have an affiliate offers with the Thrive themes, so you can have that. You can also have 5 licenses pack at 97. You can also have 50 license pack at 147. If you want us to install it in more than one website, let us know. We will give you a very good product. Instead of paying $67 for one website, we are giving it to you at $17 for one website. And it's licensed and ready to go. It will run as normal and it is validated by Thrive Themes. We have a corporate license. And right now, that corporate license, it seems like it's not available anymore in Thrive Architect. So we grabbed that offer before it went. If you grab this offer today, we will install this for you at $17 instead of the 67. You will install in your website at $17. And you see the possibilities of what you can do with this, and it's endless. You can build unlimited landing pages on your website. If you want us to build your landing pages for you, this is easy. You can do it, but if maybe you don't have time, probably there's a link within the below the video that will show you what you will need to do. Thank you very much for this. Is the end. If you have any questions, you can ask within the comments below. We leave room for commenting. You can comment below this video. If you have any clarifications that you need to have, you're welcome to ask, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to interacting with you, engaging with you, and feel free to access any of our other services that we are offering. And thank you for attending this live training.